What you doing there, babe? We're just
doing what you told me to.
We're just learning how to do things the right way. Got ourselves a new Mac, and we're gonna start getting good. We're gonna have some fun videos now. So hope you guys enjoy it in here. So we're gonna start making these videos a little bit easier for you guys to understand, a little bit more interaction with us. All right, now we're getting started on this bed. We're going to put this right underneath the bed. So what we've done, we have our little attic hoist. Have another video on that. Check it out, attic hoist. We're gonna go ahead and hook that up, jack it up off the ground, and we're gonna set it right on this cart. And this cart has some wheels underneath it so we can move it around. So anyway, here we go. All right, we're bringing the family into them now. The cutie and the kitty. There's a little couple carts. Picked these up at Harbor Freight. They work great for moving the bed around. I just built this out of some wood from Home Depot. Got some wheels. Bring me a little cart. That's what we got. We do this all at home now. What do you think, Mom? Oh, vlogging slash auto repair how-tos, and also YouTube insignia on the back here, or maybe lay it down the side. We don't know just yet, but we're still kind of in the process. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and get started on the bed. We're gonna do how-tos on the whole thing, how we fix all the dents, how we glaze it, how we sand it. So we didn't really do a lot of videos on the truck that we have out here. As for body work, other than a couple of panels that we repaired, but
Come on, Rose, you want to go in with your friends? Oh, Daddy knows how to do it.
I've never picked you up. You scared me. Come on. Come on, will you put that door back?
Yeah.
All right. Go get some water. I picked you up for the first time. I'm so excited.
Hi. Dad told me I had to practice vlogging. I've never done this before. I'd rather watch other people on YouTube and, you know, critique how bumpy it looks when they're doing it. See that my Barbie tipped over. I don't play with them, I collect them. There. All better. See? Wanna take a look? That's just some of them. The rest of them are all downstairs. I need to go take a peek at Ashley. She kind of got grounded, and she's been in here, in her room all day. She's asleep. Look. Can you see her? I know. So many toys. Very good with her discipline, I guess you could say, because she ran off. She loves going to the farm and seeing all the animals, which is great, but she didn't get permission. So that's her issue.
Okay, we're gonna try this again. I'm gonna give you a status report. Actually, what's happening with the truck. So you kind of know where we are with that. Anyway, here we go. So far, we have the entire interior tore apart. Pretty messy inside. We've got all the doors done. We've got a little tape holding that in. Got the jambs all done up. So we've actually been making quite a bit of progress on here, but this is kind of where we're at. So you can see what's going on. We have the hoods done. The jambs are all ready. We've undercoated all the firewall and the fender liners. We pulled off the core support. We actually didn't make a video on that, but sorry about that. And then we also have, here's the other side. Put a couple little magnets in there to hold the door closed. We still got a little bit of touching up that we have to get done, but we got these jambs all done.
Hey there, hun.
Hey, you. You're gonna record that? Okay, now we're gonna be working outside. So what I'm gonna show you, we've got that tripod mounted to the bottom of the camera. I'm gonna show you a couple things that we need to do this job. So first we're gonna use a little trowel to cut off the molding, and then this is called an eraser wheel. You get this at any auto parts supplier, just some glasses, because it throws a lot of debris up. You need to make sure you have some air to run your pneumatic tool. And I'm just gonna go ahead and set you down right here and show you what we gotta do. So we're gonna go ahead and start pulling this off. First step, take the little trowel, get underneath there. And this just takes some finesse and some prying. Hopefully you can hear me over the fan. Just push that in and out. I also have another video that we used to do this as well on a Denali removing some window guards. So that's pretty much how you get that off. All right, I just changed out the batteries in this camera here. I wanted to show you something now that I'm fresh. Check this out. I don't know if you can see it, but there are a ton of imperfections in that bedside. So this is why we're stripping it down. It's hard to see, but man, from my angle, I can see them really bad. So there is a lot of problems with this bed. But anyway, that being said, we're going to work. So this next step we got here is we're going to take our eraser wheel I have here. I'm going to set you down on the tripod holder here. I'm going to finish taking this off. Just like that. And then you take this eraser wheel. You get kind of noisy. So, pretty time consuming, but that's what you got. Took about a minute to get that off, so I'm going to go through and do all the bedside, that molding, and on the other side I've already taken these off, and we're going to weld up these holes that we have from the screws. So that'll be our next clips. Alright, this is why we are taking these off. For one, it's the right way to do it. Check this out. As I was peeling this off, the paint came off. Factory paint came off. This has been repainted, you can see the edge. But this one here, I got all this off. It took me about 15 minutes to do that, which using that eraser wheel right there. I'm going to change out the wheel and finish up the bed, and that'll be the end for this video, and then we'll come back. On the next part, I think what we'll do is we'll get it all ground down and start welding up these holes. That'll be our next video. So anyway, hope you guys are enjoying our new style. So it's fun. It's a lot funner to video this way too. So